Britain, a land once dominated by verdant forests and rolling hills, has seen a dramatic transformation. Our cities, bustling hubs of human activity, have sprawled outwards, replacing natural landscapes with concrete and steel. This urban expansion has come at a cost, fragmenting the habitats that once supported a rich tapestry of wildlife. Gone are the vast woodlands, replaced by pockets of green space struggling to survive amidst the urban sprawl. Yet, amidst the concrete jungle, a fascinating phenomenon is occurring. Wildlife is adapting, evolving to thrive in these new human-dominated environments. The growth of cities has led to a significant loss of natural habitats. Forests, meadows and wetlands have been paved over, leaving many species displaced and struggling to survive. However, nature is resilient, and some animals have proven remarkably adept at adapting to these changing landscapes. Instead of succumbing to the pressures of urban life, they have found innovative ways to not only survive, but to thrive in our midst. This resilience speaks volumes about the adaptability of wildlife and presents us with a unique opportunity to coexist and learn from these remarkable creatures. One might expect cities to be devoid of wildlife, but look closer and you'll be surprised. Red foxes, once creatures of the countryside, have become adept urban scavengers, navigating our streets with ease. They raise their cubs in the shadows of tower blocks, their nocturnal habits masking their presence from most city dwellers. Hedgehogs, those endearing, prickly creatures, have also adapted to city life, finding refuge in our gardens and parks. Their ability to squeeze through small gaps and their taste for garden pests make them welcome visitors to many urban gardens. Perhaps the most impressive urban adapter is the peregrine falcon. These magnificent birds of prey, once driven to near extinction in Britain, have made a remarkable comeback, choosing skyscrapers as their new hunting grounds. The high vantage points and abundance of pigeons provide them with ideal nesting sites and a plentiful food source. Their aerial acrobatics, once a site reserved for remote cliffs and mountainsides, are now a regular occurrence in the skies above our cities. The success of these urban pioneers lies in their ability to adapt to the unique challenges of city life. Red foxes, for example, have altered their diets, becoming opportunistic omnivores. They scavenge from our bins, feast on discarded takeaways, and supplement their diet with fruits and berries from urban gardens. Hedgehogs, too, have become accustomed to urban living, utilizing compost heaps and garden sheds as cozy nesting sites. Their natural foraging instincts serve them well as they feast on slugs, snails, and other garden pests. Peregrine falcons have taken adaptation to a whole new level. They have learned to navigate the updrafts and wind currents created by tall buildings, using them to their advantage when hunting. Their speed and agility make them formidable predators, and they have no problem catching pigeons and other birds in the urban jungle. These adaptations highlight the remarkable plasticity of wildlife, their ability to modify their behaviors and exploit new resources in order to survive. Section 4. Concrete Challenges, Navigating the Urban Maze. While many animals have successfully adapted to city life, urban environments present a unique set of challenges. Habitat fragmentation is a major concern. Roads, buildings and fences create barriers, isolating populations and making it difficult for animals to disperse and find mates. Pollution, from traffic fumes to litter, poses another threat, impacting the health of urban wildlife. The constant noise and light pollution can disrupt animal behavior, affecting their sleep patterns, communication and foraging habits. Perhaps the most significant challenge is human-wildlife conflict. As humans and animals live in closer proximity, encounters are inevitable. While most encounters are harmless, they can sometimes lead to negative interactions. Red foxes raiding bins, hedgehogs digging in gardens, or pigeons roosting on buildings can be perceived as nuisances. It is crucial to remember that these animals are simply trying to survive in a human-dominated world. Section 5. Living side by side, protecting urban wildlife. Understanding the challenges faced by urban wildlife is crucial for fostering harmonious coexistence. Conservation efforts are underway to create more wildlife-friendly cities. Green corridors connecting fragmented habitats are being established, allowing animals to move freely and access resources. Community engagement plays a vital role in raising awareness about urban wildlife and promoting responsible behavior. Encouraging people to garden with wildlife in mind, reduce litter and drive carefully can make a significant difference. Supportive policies are also essential. Local authorities can implement measures to reduce light and noise pollution, create more green spaces, and adopt wildlife-friendly approaches to urban planning. By working together, we can create cities that are not only habitable for humans, but also provide refuge for wildlife. Living alongside wildlife in our urban spaces enriches our lives, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of the natural world. It is our responsibility to ensure that these urban adapters have a future in our concrete jungles.